Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to draw a simple Fall Guys character. Hope you can follow along. Let's start with a circle near the top of the page. Not quite a circle, but that's the face. Okay, then we're going to draw. We're going to leave a gap here. We're going to put a oval shape, a tall oval shape for one eye, and then leave a gap. Same for that way. And now he's looking towards this side, so that's why we've got a bit more space there. Colour those in. Okay, and then from over here, just above, in line with the eyes, bring a curve over, and it's going to get narrower over this side here, down to there, top of the head. Now we're going to pretend, we're going to leave some space because that's going to be where the arm is, so pretend this comes down, so dot there, and the same here, leave a bit of a gap. We're now going to continue this around, make it a little bit wider. Now the size of that is about 1.5, so bring it down and around like this, and then come back up. The more you practice your curves, the better you'll get. So there's the body. Now I'm going to put one leg on, one leg out like so, and then the other one slightly a little bit more side on, so you'll see a little bit more of the foot part there, sort of poking that way. Now let's put the arm on. The line coming out, bumps out, comes down in line with the bottom. There's the finger, here's the thumb, and there's the rest of the hand coming up there like that. Big arms. Now we see more of this arm, so I'm going to draw the outer side. It comes out and it comes down to about there. One finger, two, and then the thumb. And then it comes back in and forms the body. So we can flick them up. Now I'm just going to thicken up my edges a bit.